Hi everyone. So I have been observing human body, since many years. I have been working on healing patients since 15 years, and how is the capacity of each individual to heal from musculoskeletal conditions is different in each individual. Okay, and same way, be it any kind of illness from seasonal changes, it is different in each individual, even if they have the same nutrition, staying in the same house, right? So uh, over all these years of my observation, and as I did functional nutrition, and I have also read some literature on Ayurveda, homeopathy, then biochemic salts, how they heal. So these have been existing in human life since a very long time, right? And how those ancestors of ours worked on bringing healing inside the body. They always worked on bringing homeostasis. They always worked on natural ways of healing and bringing the body back to the balance or the equilibrium. So it is always it has always been that focus that you have to work on bringing the body back to homeostasis. Now, what is homeostasis? It is the way our body continuously works to maintain its balance of enough of nutrition and excretion of the waste, timely excretion of the waste. So, and to continuously work on survival, and to continuously work on killing all the microbes that are entering our body, and detoxifying the body from all the toxins that enter our body. So we are made from nature, we are one with the nature, and healing is always the best when your body is really very close to the equilibrium. So you are in a balance here, okay, when you are internally and externally very close to the nature, consuming least processed form of foods, less of pesticides, more of organic, and being close to the nature externally as well, like wearing natural fabrics, going outdoors into the sunlight and taking a dip in river water, drinking spring water, least exposure to environmental toxins. So all these things keep your body very close to an equilibrium. Now if you are on a daily basis not following this, you are gradually going away from the equilibrium. Each cell, each organ of your body is gradually moving away from the equilibrium, and then one fine day you get a health issue. You get a health issue. It could be a musculoskeletal issue, or it could be anything like seasonal change or seasonal illnesses that happens, and now you are stuck in this out of equilibrium state in your body, and you're working on healing yourself with home remedies. Now home remedies don't work because you are so far away from the equilibrium, and now you end up going to the doctor, visiting the doctor, taking some allopathy medicines, and those allopathy medicines will heal you, they will make you feel better, but you are still out of equilibrium, and your chances to fall sick are even higher. And those medicines might even make you go further away from the homeostasis. You need to bring yourself back to that balanced state, to avoid recurrent illness and to recover sooner from another illness if you have any other issue in the near future. So um, homeopathy has certain herbal remedies, certain mineral remedies. Same way, biochemics has certain salts that are very specific to each tissue. They try to bring you back to the balance, sooner. And it might take time also, because if you are away from the homeostasis, it will take time. Your body might not respond to these remedies as soon as you start taking them. Same way Ayurveda, same way in functional medicine, we have certain molecules which are very specific to each cell of yours, which are very specific to the tissues. Okay, so functional medicine combines Ayurveda, combines homeopathy, combines the latest advancements in healing human body from illnesses, from autoimmune diseases. Like a lot of modern issues have come into the human life, and it has become even more complex to heal individuals nowadays, because we have certainly gone a very far distance from the homeostatic state. So the easiest, simplest thing that you can do for yourself to bring and to try to stay in that homeostasis is stay natural. Bring more, natural foods into your daily diet, and surround yourself with nature as much as you can. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you.